Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Yesterday I started with chapter Globe and Maps and I discussed the two main headings Globe and Oceans. Let's have the recap. What is globe? Globe is a model of the earth. How many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Now, let's start with the next topic, continents. As we can see the world map here, this shows the entire surface of the earth. This blue area is water and rest of the area is land. The whole land area is divided into 7 parts. These are called continents. Continent is a very large land mass on the surface of the earth. These continents are Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world. India is a part of Asian continent. Then Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world. North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. Here, South America. South America is the fourth largest continent of the world. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent of the world. It is full of ice. Then Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent of the world. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Now, let's start with the reading page number 6. Continents. The very large land masses that cover 1/4 of the Earth's surface are called continents. Please underline the word masses and write down the meaning. Collection. There are 7 continents. They are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest. So, as I already discussed with you, continent is a very large land mass on the surface of the earth. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. So, write down the question here. Name the continents and underline the answer. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Antarctica, Australia. And write down answer here. Next we have the word grid. In this you have to find out the names of the continents. One I have done for you and in the same way you have to find the name of the other continents. Now let's come to the next heading, map. So what is map? Map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Now let's start the reading. A globe is small and all places on the earth cannot be shown on it. So we have maps which are drawings of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps can show large areas like the world or small areas like cities and towns. A book of map is called an atlas. So what is map? Map is a drawing of the whole earth on a flat surface. And what is an atlas? It's a collection of maps. So please write down the question here. What is a map? The answer is drawing of the whole earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Underline it and write down answer here. Okay, come to the next, that is directions. So how many directions are there? There are 4 directions. Let's start with the reading. There are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east, west. These directions help us to locate places on a map. The top of a map shows north. Here it is north. The bottom of a map shows south. This is south direction. The right side of a map shows east. This is east. The left side of a map shows west, and this is west. So there are four directions and you have to write this question here. Name the four main directions and please underline the answer north, south, east, west and write down answer here. Now let's come to the next page, that is page number 7. A compass is an instrument that shows directions. Please underline the word instrument and write down the meaning tool. It has a needle which always points to the north. Once we know where north is, we can find the other directions. Sailors use a compass to find the directions when they are at sea. Here we are talking about compass which is used by sailors to find the directions and it always points to which directions? North. Please write down the question here. What is a compass? Here it is the answer. Please underline it. A compass is an instrument that shows directions. Children, I hope you have understood the discussed topic. Now your homework is to read chapter 2 again, revise terms and write terms on the copy. Thank you.